Dry Powder Capsule Inhalers. In this video, we will be going through how to use a dry powder capsule inhaler correctly to ensure the accurate delivery of a dose. Similar to DPIs, dry powder capsule inhalers are breath-activated devices. This means that a dose of medication will only be delivered when you inhale on the mouthpiece. The difference between the two types of inhalers is that dry powder capsule inhalers require the loading of a capsule before the medication can be inhaled. Step 1. Open. Remove the cover to expose the mouthpiece. Pull back the mouthpiece to reveal the capsule chamber. Step 2. Insert the capsule. The capsules come packaged in foil wrapping. Pull back the foil edges to release one capsule. Do not remove the capsule by pushing it through the foil, this will damage the capsule. Place the capsule into the capsule chamber. Do not place a capsule directly into the mouthpiece. Close the mouthpiece until you hear a click. Step 3. Pierce the capsule. Hold the inhaler upright and press both side buttons at the same time. You should hear a click as the capsule is pierced. Then release the side buttons. Step 4. Inhale your dose. Put the mouthpiece into your mouth and seal your lips firmly around it. Breathe in rapidly and deeply until your lungs are full and hold your breath for 10 seconds. You will hear the sound of the capsule vibrating in the chamber. Step 5. Discard the used capsule. After inhaling your dose, open the mouthpiece, remove it, and throw away the used capsule. Close the mouthpiece and the lid of the inhaler. Things to take note of. You can clean your device by wiping the mouthpiece with clean dry tissue. Do not wash the mouthpiece or allow it to get wet when cleaning. Always keep the mouthpiece closed with the cap on when not in use. Remember to use a new capsule with every use. Capsules must be stored in the original packaging to be protected from moisture. Only remove them right before use. Store in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. We hope that you have learned some important tips on how to use a dry powder capsule inhalers. You can watch the rest of our inhaler videos here. Visit Medical Channel Asia for more Asian health information and news at your fingertips.